Today we're discussing an important topic for anyone in the transportation industry: DOT process agents. If you're involved in moving goods across state lines, you need to know how this works. Now, what exactly is a DOT process agent? Simply put, a DOT process agent is a representative who receives legal documents on behalf of a motor carrier or broker. This is crucial for anyone operating under a federal motor carrier authority because it ensures that legal notices are properly received. You might be wondering, why is this necessary? Well, the transportation industry is subject to various regulations, and being compliant is non-negotiable. If you operate without a process agent, you risk missing important legal documents. This could lead to penalties or even a shutdown of operations. Think of a DOT process agent as your legal safety net. They make sure you're informed of any legal action that might affect your business. This can include lawsuits, regulatory notices, or other legal proceedings. Having a reliable agent means you can focus on running your business without worrying about missing vital information. It's important to note that you need a designated DOT process agent in every state where you operate. This ensures that no matter where legal action is taken against your company, there is a representative available to receive documents on your behalf. Failing to have the proper agents in place could result in serious compliance issues and legal setbacks. So how do you get a DOT process agent? The process can be a bit complex. It involves filling out specific forms and making sure all the details are correct. This might sound like a lot, but it's crucial for running a smooth operation. For those who find this overwhelming, FMCSA Registration.com is here to help. We are the top online service provider for the transportation industry, making the process easier and hassle-free. Our team assists motor carriers, truck drivers, and brokers across the United States with FMCSA registration compliance. By choosing us, you're ensuring that your business remains in good standing. Staying compliant means staying in business. A DOT process agent is a small yet significant part of that puzzle. Don't let paperwork hold you back. Let the experts handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on the road ahead. Visit FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the transportation industry. See you next time.